What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I finally got in my license plate and license plate stickers. So I'm going to be installing that today on the front valence. The front bumper on the 1968 Mustang is actually just a piece of metal, and actually the front valence is actually a piece of metal as well. I think I'm gonna have to do an interior cleaning of the Mustang because there's a layer of dust, and yeah, that's not healthy. For the last part, I'll probably be test fitting my 19-inch Forge Star rims. I had those on my Evo, so I'm gonna test fit those Forge Star rims on my Mustang, and if they look nice, I'm just gonna rock it. Let's get to the install of these, and then I'm gonna clean out the interior of the Mustang. Here is the front bumper. This big piece of metal is actually considered the front bumper, and the thing in front is called the front valence. Nowadays cars, they're all one piece, so it's a little bit different. Alright, so whenever you get plates for a car, you always get two, one from the front and one from the back. The stickers, they're supposed to go on the back side. The front side, you just leave it as it is. Whenever you get license plates, you're gonna have two. One's for the front and one's for the back. It doesn't matter which side you put it on because it's an exact copy. The only thing is, when you put on the stickers, that's what makes it the back license plate. So whenever you're putting these on the right side for California, it says year. Don't switch these around and put the year on this side. It's on this side. And then this is the month. When I put these on, it's gonna be like this, and it's gonna be like this. One helpful tip is whenever you put on the year, it's always good to cut it with a blade because there are some shady people that try to take off the stickers and pass it off as their own. So that just becomes a huge headache. So cut it up, and I'll show you guys how I cut it up. But the month, I guess you can just leave it because I don't think people really try to steal that. It's the year that they're concerned about. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it up. Alright, so that should be good enough. Okay, now that I've put the stickers on this license plate, this is going to be designated as the rear bumper license plate. What I have in front of me is the front valence and the front bumper, so I'm gonna have to put the one without any stickers. Why am I using this when I have power tools? I'll be right back. And the front plate is done. So this is kind of weird because this is how it goes on the car. Okay, this is a little heavy because it's pure metal. Unlike cars today, they actually use metal. It goes somewhat like this. I'm gonna see if I could get this on the car. I'm not sure if it has all the bolts and nuts that are needed to connect these, but I'll show you guys what it looks like, and if I can't find the bolts and nuts, I'm gonna order a set and then I'll install it then. Also can't forget the rear. The car is officially registered and drivable on the street. Yes! Alright guys, so this is how the car looks now. It has no front bumper or no front valence. So it looks really empty. I tried looking for all the screws and bolts, but I couldn't find them. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like with the front valence and the front bumper installed. Well, the first problem would be to get it to stay on. So you guys can see this is how it should look, and without me holding it here, it will fall. And it's starting to hurt, so I probably won't be holding it for too long, but I think that looks pretty nice. Makes the car look a lot more finished. I will install everything after I get the nuts and bolts, so just gotta wait on those before I start putting everything on. But for now, I'm gonna clean out the interior and I'll show you how dirty it actually is. So let's get to the interior. Just to show you guys what I'm dealing with right here, I'll show you guys what the interior looks like right now in detail. So to start off, this is the door, and if you look inside, there's so much dust. Look at that. I'm probably gonna use the leaf blower thing to blow everything out, and then I'll see if I can vacuum inside. Right. Now the interior. If you look at this, this is pretty dusty. Over there's a bunch of dust. Oh, some stuff over there that I don't know what it is. Back, I mean, it was sprayed with bed liner, so some parts it almost feels like it's cracking. Like this part, if you see that, that's cracked. So I'll just take that out right now and see how the condition of the metal is. That's the condition of the metal. It doesn't seem too bad actually. If anything, I'll spray it down again with another bed liner and I'll work from there. I'm gonna vacuum everything up. First of all, I'm gonna take out the floor mats. So, whew, there's a bunch of dust on that as well. Off with the floor mats. Now I'm gonna start vacuuming. I couldn't find an attachment that had bristles and brushes for my shop vac, so I'm gonna be using my Dyson today. So I think I'm gonna try something else. I'm gonna try blowing everything out with a leaf blower first, and then I'm gonna start vacuuming. So this part's gonna be fun. That was so much dust. Wow. I think it's a lot better now, but now I think the inside is even more coated in dust. And I still have to do the driver's side door, so let's get to that one and see if it's as bad as this one. Yep, this one's just as bad. Oh jeez, that was a lot of cleaning. So that's enough cleaning for today. I'll show you guys what it looks like now. It's still a bit dusty, but it's a lot better, I think. Okay, so there's a lot of work that needs to be done to the car still, so that was just the start of it. Now let's try fitting the 19-inch rims and tires and see how it looks on the car. This is what I've been waiting for. To get this started off, we're gonna have to take off the hubcap, which is this thing. A lot of new cars also have hubcaps, but they actually cover all the way around. But the older cars, I think, all have it right here. And as you can see, there's already a little dent right there. So I know that's how you take off this hubcap. Right. All right, and there it goes. So it is a 5 lug. I'm gonna have to take this off and then I'll do the fronts as well. I'm not too sure of the jack points for this car, but if I look under the car, this is where the leaf spring is, and then there's a little tough portion right there. For all you Mustang guys that are into the classics, please let me know if this is the right spot, because this is where I'm going to be jacking it up. So the leaf spring and right here. For the front portion, I'm going to be jacking it up right here. It's where this bar starts, I guess. And after this little portion, I'm not sure what that is, but right there. Alright, so let's get to taking these wheels off and putting on the new one. Looks like the car's holding up. The new rims, or the new rims for the Mustang. This makes it so that the logo of my rims cannot stay in place. So I'll try taking that out and see how that works out. And here's the logo. Alright guys, so I just installed the rims and it looks nice, but I'm gonna have to lower the car if I'm gonna go with these rims. So I'll show you guys what it looks like now. Alright, now I zoom out. It is so lifted right now, look at that. Jeez. Okay, so This is the emblem. It fits in here and then some. So, yeah. The rear is even worse. So, yeah. This is my fist, and this is the hubcap. That much of the hubcap goes in, so I'm definitely gonna have to lower the car if I'm gonna run these rims. If you look at it though, it does look nice. Just imagine it about 3 or 4 inches lower. As you guys can see, there's a lot of work to be done to this Mustang. Let me know what you guys think about the rims. Just imagine them a little bit lower, but I think I'm gonna have to get coilovers for the whole car just to make it look right. And I looked at the prices to do that. It is pricey. I'm probably gonna hold off on that for a little bit while I fix up the whole interior, because I think that's a little bit more urgent. Let me know what you guys think about other mods. I'm definitely going to be modding the interior, and I already have a steering wheel. I'll show you guys next time, maybe. Or actually, no. I'll let you guys wait on that and see it when I install it on the car. But for the next upload, I'm probably going to be taking the Evo onto the mountains and giving you guys a little bit of a review of all the mods that I did to the Evo. I think that concludes today's video, so don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Later, guys!